All right, I'm with the client here. Can you tell us your name?
Brandon Davis.
Brandon Davis. We've got a project going on here for Real Home Evolutions in Briarcliff. We're going to ask a few questions to kind of get a gauge and a feel for the experience. So how long have you owned this home, Brandon?
I bought it in May of this year.
May of this year. All right, what was your inspiration for this renovation?
So the basement was partially finished, and once I saw kind of the ceiling height, I knew that I wanted a place with a golf simulator, so this would fit the bill. Kind of a nice space for entertaining, so wanted to get this all finished out since it wasn't completely done whenever I purchased the house.
What is the thing that you're looking forward to most about this build?
I would say a large area for entertaining. So we're gonna have a bar, we'll have a golf simulator, pool table, kind of a good TV area. So should be a great spot come winter. He's been here every day that I've been here, so it's nice to follow along with the updates to see kind of where we're at and what needs to be done and tweak the little details before we get too far into it.
It's been a great experience. We've got a lot of good guys to work with. Brandon's been great to work with, so I'm very excited for what the future holds.